Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam.
Bam bam. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
మీకందరికి వందనము.
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Jai Janendra.
मैं इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते याली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंदिर को बोलेंगे नीसा मुल्ला बरजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के दौरे मैं से वाल्तु बाबा
And of course, myself, Altu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बन जा रहा है.
and of course Bajan for the past whole month right not whole month actually it's just been like 24 days right 25 days approximately 29 days approximately right 29 days almost a month we've been doing something called as Mahila March right
Right.
and Mahila March pe har ek din we're trying to bring something surrounding or somewhere capturing the every essence of women and everything and how it has been portrayed in cinemas and all the stuff right
Right.
तो आज हमने सोचा why not we do something more in the same lines okay but talk about the the empowerment which goes on right and I have a question for Bandhus Faltrani.
What are
We are in
those?
modern times right now.
Right.
Times are changing like really fast, right? And things have moved really fast from from what it was time when women could not vote to the point they're able to vote. They are actually right now in these offices and all where the people are the topmost office. Okay, I know the topmost job is not still a woman, but still the topmost office. Almost all the places have been women entrepreneurs. Women entrepreneurs have been there, right? Like CEOs of many companies right now are not the boys but the girls. Right? So my question to everybody out there is today.
But still, the CEOs of the big companies still are not women. The
Yes.
biggest companies in the United States.
Now that is what I want to ask Faltrani today. Today is Sri Shakti Somvare Faltrani, and of course I'm actually asking our bandhus today to chime in and say whether, hey, do we have to still do the Sri Shakti part of it? Do we need to make that empowerment going on still? Huh?
What do you mean, do we need to make empowerment?
I'm asking our bandhus, Faltrani. What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't judge me, Faltrani. I'm trying to ask people a question. Do we need that empowerment going on still? Do we need it? What do you think, Bandhujan? Or do you think, अरे हाँ बहुत हो गया empowerment, हाँ ठीक है, अभी equality. I don't know. What do you? I have actually
Excuse me? Abhi equality? Where did that come from, Altu Baba?
No, Faltrani, I'm
Have
trying
you
to...
heard people make those comments?
Okay, Faltrani, again, you're trying to make it seem like it's going to be discussed between you and me, Faltrani. I'm asking our bandhus to chime in today. Right?
Okay. Lekin Altu Baba, one thing I take offense with anybody who says, should we empower women? That whole sentence, even empower the people with disabilities, right? I've been thinking a lot about the word
if you
empower.
You are talking about it, Faltrani, but I'm telling you one thing, Faltrani. This is what is running in people's mind. Come and open, say it. That's why I'm saying it.
Yes. So
Yeah.
we would love to hear from you, Bandhujan. So what do you want them to call in and say, Altu Baba, whether women need to be empowered anymore? Is that what you're saying? Or
Yeah, I'm asked, do they need empowerment right now? Is my question. What do you think, Faltrani?
do they need empowerment anymore?
It's very simple. You'll just say yes.
Well, I take objection with the word empowerment itself. वो दूसरी topic है completely
Very good.
because
Today's objection on the
empowerment
show.
में ये है बंधुजान कि अगर जब आप बोलते हो empowerment है मतलब कि it's like the equivalent of saying I'm going to help somebody.
Oh.
Because it's coming. What do you mean by I'm going to empower you? What does that mean? That's ridiculous because you are not somebody in a better place of power to empower somebody else.
So you're saying that
You get what
what
I'm
is
saying?
the other word to use then?
There is no other word to use. Don't take the power away from women.
No. When you
Don't.
say empowerment is not somebody giving empowerment, Faltrani, that's what I want to ask people to actually call up and talk about it, right? Is it something which comes internally? Is what many people say that, right? Empowerment actually comes from within.
Yes, but empower, the actual meaning is to make someone stronger and more confident.
Empower to make
Yeah.
someone more. You're going by dictionary.
Especially,
Dictionary written
I'm
by the
giving
white guys.
dictionary description.
That
to
is
give someone power or authority. मतलब उसका मतलब ये है कि उसको उससे पहले छीन के फिर उसके बाद उसको वापस देना.
exactly. That's actually written by the Oxford, is it? Or who's the other white guys written it? Huh?
I don't know.
I'm sure it'll be something with the Western world pathway. That's what's empowering called. But I'm talking about really empowering. What does empowering mean for us? Okay, let's ask the question. Okay, Father, it seems like the discussion started off with a confusion on the meaning of the word empowerment itself. Let's ask our bandhus, what is empowerment? How about that?
Yeah, let's go.
What is empowerment to you, Bandhujan? Give us a call. 408-912-2479. We have a Bandhu waiting in line. Father, go to them, please.
Yes.
Hello, namaskar. Pam Pam के स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this?
Pam 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 pam. Pam 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 pam.
दीपा जी आपके लिए पूरे 100 अंक just for actually tuning in early and calling in early.
हाँ तो मैंने शुरू फोन ऑन करते ही आलतू बाबा ने बोला लेट्स आस्क फॉर बंदूक.
Yes.
तो वो हाँ
हाँ.
तो वैसे उधर फालतू रानी बोल रही है चाहे करना चाहिए फिर भी तुम पूछ रहे हो आलतू बाबा क्यों. अभी देखो तुम खाना तो रोज खाते हो ना, ऐसे नहीं कि कभी कभार खाते हो.
हाँ.
सही है तो
उसी हिसाब से एम्पावरमेंट भी करना, अप्रिशिएट करना, कंसिडरेट करना जरूरी है.
So I want to ask you one thing. You are saying this by saying that you are going totally against what Faltwani said. Who are we to empower anybody is what Faltwani asked the question. Very nice question she asked. Very thought-provoking question.
नहीं मतलब कहना जरूरी है क्योंकि ऐसा हो गया ना, ऐसे लोगों ने ऐसे कर दिया अभी. सेंचुरीज टुगेदर सप्रेशन ये हो गया ना वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, इसलिए जरूरी हो गया. वरना यू आर शी इज राइट क्योंकि एम्पावरमेंट करना जरूरी नहीं, शक्ति है उसको सिर्फ मान्यता मिलना जरूरी है और उसको जगाना जरूरी है.
सही है. तो आज का टॉपिक स्त्री शक्ति जो है we brought it because of the fact that people should understand what it means स्त्री शक्ति and what does empowering mean, because Faltani brought a very good thing saying that empowerment people think like as though they are empowering the other person. No, it's not true. It's just like empowerment actually should come from within, right? तो आपको क्या राय है कि empowerment के बारे में? How do you feel empowered? Let me ask you the question, Deepa.
I feel empowered, but I also feel many times like suppressed.
Okay.
Yes.
The society's views and
Oppressed,
everything.
yeah.
Hey, openly you should talk about it, Deepa. Thank you so much for that, and actually appreciate that. Really appreciate what you're saying. And yes, you're right. And I would like all our, our lady bandhus to call us today.
Yeah.
And share this with us, because that's exactly what we're trying to get at today, is to understand what is Sri Shakti and what exactly means empowering. Empowering is not us.
Yeah.
Subjugating, putting down somebody is us. We put them down. We the people who actually bring in those barriers.
Yeah.
But empowering should actually happen from within. And yes, thank you for sharing that with us, Deepa ji. So you're saying that empowerment is something which has to happen even now, right?
हाँ वो तो है. Every you have to keep on reminding people क्योंकि हो जाता है कभी कभी स्पेस सब छीन जाता है लड़कियों से. तो कुछ ना ऐसा सर्कमस्टेंसेस या many reasons, लेकिन बट या एम्पावरमेंट तो बनता है. यस.
Yes, and very good. Now, go on,
तो Deepa, thank you so much कि आपने वो बताया. I was thinking of the word. Alto asked me a very thought-provoking question. What would you call as the other word that you would use instead of empowerment, right? One word that comes to mind, quite frankly, is emancipation. The other word that comes to mind is restitution or retribution.
Retribution also works,
Because you can only see, like Deepa very nicely said, everybody is empowered that way, right? If everybody has that strength within them, and if you constantly beat down somebody with expectations, with restrictions, you take away the power and you make that person feel less in some way. And you don't necessarily have to hit them. It could be something that you're doing that is making them feel less in any which way. You're disempowering them.
Yeah.
And you're completely
वो पार वो जुनून वो
हाँ.
जज्बा कम हो जाता है ना.
Correct.
कितने बार फाइटिंग करेंगे, कितने बार लाइक
हाँ, हाँ.
कभी कभार how many times that edge is gone.
Yeah, and it starts from like basic things like childhood में अरे in India of course, let's say in Asian cultures कि आगे जाके इतना पढ़ लिख के क्या करना है, like even if you have to
Yeah.
study, like even the most educated families, आज भी मैं कह रही हूँ, even the most educated families, once the girl finishes her masters, the parents do not encourage her to do a doctoral degree.
Wow.
Yeah, they don't. They will say, okay.
Yes.
They'll say, oh my god, who are you going to get? Who's going to marry you? What's going to happen? There will be issues that will arise.
Or they'll say that, okay, if you're going to marry somebody who's got the masters or
On the
something
same
above you.
note, Falsarani वही ना कि वो the movie दिल धड़कने दो मूवी में दिखाया गया है ना.
हाँ.
So like so high five family.
हाँ.
हमें लगता है कि नहीं है, लेकिन she is more interested in the business, लेकिन उसकी शादी हो जाती है, so she is not technically allowed to contribute or don't have any say in the family business.
Correct.
वो किसी और घर की बहू हो गई.
Correct.
Very
And
true.
the boy who has no acumen to business, he is being forced to be part of the business.
Correct.
Very true, very true.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Deepaji, actually, the reason I brought this thing up was the fact that people actually sometimes misunderstand the word empowerment also. So I want to understand if people really know the meaning of it. No, I'm not judging you guys. If you don't know, you can say, I don't know, Altaba, it's fine. But if today you listen to the show, they should learn about it and also understand the fact of why it's
Yes.
important to still have empowerment going on right now. Or you can use a different word which Atif Hadwani, semantics always comes in.
लेकिन
Bolo.
on the same वही आलतू बाबा, तुमने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली. फालतू रानी इतने बड़े बड़े वर्ड यूज करते हैं इधर शशि तरूर.
Exactly.
Hey!
Thank you very much.
Hey! इसका मतलब क्या है?
Thank you very much.
नहीं, मैं बस ये बोल रही थी कि empowerment का actual मतलब तू जाके डिक्शनरी में
See,
देखेगी ना
I'll tell you.
दीपा, it says that it
अरे
is
ठीक
west.
है बाबा, फालतू
अरे,
रानी. अच्छा देखो,
मान लिया.
मैं समझती, मतलब लेकिन फिर भी आम लोगों को समझने की मैं थोड़ा सिंपल वर्ड यूज करो.
Yeah.
Well, देखो, I'll tell you what.
मिल गई.
Let's not get caught up in semantics because words change होता रहता है. It doesn't matter. But so our feelings should not change, and hence we are talking about these things. So definitely give us a call here, everybody. Thank you, Deepa, for calling us, starting the saga. I want to hear all the ladies calling today. Thank you so
And
much.
feel
Deepa.
free to chime back in at any point in
Yeah,
time
yeah.
during the show. Thank you.
And also, if you think of any song, Deepa, which actually is totally emancipated song of women, give us a call and share with us, okay? I have a few already lined up for you guys, for sure. Like, you also can give us a call, 408-912-2479. Hi, नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार में. Who's this?
पैम पैम
पैम पैम, प्रणव जी कैसे हैं आप?
Oh.
बहुत बढ़िया.
अरे वाह, प्रणव जी क्या टाइम पे क्या शो पे आपने फोन किया. वेरी गुड. कैसे हैं सर?
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ.
ये ऐसे इतना अच्छा विषय है तो इसमें तो फोन करने की
हाँ,
कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं है.
करेक्ट. आपकी टिप्पणी का हम लोग बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. बताइए, व्हाट डू यू थिंक
Yeah,
एम्पावरिंग इज?
हाँ, मैंने वो प्रश्न सुना.
हाँ,
या तो बोले कि थोड़ा सा तुम आपस में तुम्हारी बहस हो गई किया.
As usual.
अरे अगर
I salute your enthusiasm and strong belief, फलतरानी. बट मैं जो कहने जा रहा हूँ तो ध्यान से सुनो.
सुन रही हूँ.
सुन रहे हैं.
we can argue on the word, the appropriate choice of word or not, but जैसे हमको भी ऑफिस में ट्रेनिंग मिलती है, and then there are certain things जो तुमने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा और एक्चुअली रियलाइज ये आपको लगता है कि यार मे बी आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग. ऑफ कोर्स हमारे केस में और डिफरेंट है कि बिकॉज वी आर ब्रॉट अप इन ए मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी. तो बचपन से हमको ये शिक्षा मिली है ये काम लड़कियों का है, ये काम लड़कों का है. So we were born and brought up in that environment. So of course, अभी मैं I am a very different person than I was maybe 20 years ago. So keeping in mind that, and जब हम आज की बात करते हैं, so definitely things have improved. और ऐसा कोई क्षेत्र नहीं जहाँ महिलाओं ने प्रगति नहीं की है, but still there's a long way to go. क्योंकि there is a term called unconscious bias. So उसमें क्या होता है कि we assume things. जैसे अगर for example taking example of a project, right? So अगर project में देर रात तक काम करना है या traveling है, so the manager will always think, oh maybe I should give this task to a male, right? That is what you are assuming that a woman cannot do this job. So that is something called an unconscious bias. So वो knowingly unknowingly we are all guilty of that. हम ये सोच लेते हैं कि ये काम महिला नहीं कर सकती है, right? So yeah, so there is still a lot of things which needs to change, and we have to come to that reality. और ये हमको ये we have to have that like this it should be you never have to have a second thought, right? ये महिला है या पुरुष है. So I do really think आज तो हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि सेना में महिलाएं जा रही है. So and they are in space. So there is nothing stopping that. But what is stopping is people, me, you, and everybody else around us, जो हमारे मन में unconscious bias है. So that needs to go. So answer to your question is yes. There is still a long way when we see the real equality. So again, if you want to use the term empowerment, so be it. We can use that. But yeah, there is a lot of long way to go and lot of things to do.
एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपने अच्छी बहुत सीरियसली एक नोट दे दिया यहाँ पे. वेरी गुड. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. राइट. आई एग्री विथ यू टोटली ऑन दिस. लॉन्ग वे टू गो फॉर श्योर.
So Mike, I'm a little confused because he said so you're saying that there is a need for women to be empowered further. Is that what you're saying, or you're saying that every one of us is guilty of an unconscious bias? Is that
yes,
so
exactly. क्योंकि आज देखो,
so that is
they are getting more education than maybe some fields. They are in almost every field you can see around. But still जब opportunity के अवसर की बात आती है तो कहीं न कहीं उनको like glass ceiling is a term, or where maybe the person is not trying to really do the glass ceiling kind of thing, but still उनके माइंड में रहता है यार ये unconscious mind में ये शायद नहीं कर सकती. Maybe she's thinking good for her that oh she should not travel at night, but still that is an unconscious bias. So that is the point.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, and that unconscious bias comes in from years of cultural conditioning, is what
Correct,
I
correct.
believe, and that is something that where people actually disempowered women.
Yes.
It's that whole misogyny, the sexism that comes into play when it happens. So that's what I'm. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you so
And
much.
thank you for the thing, for your tippani, Pranamji, and I'll also share with you guys what I mean, what I see empowerment as, and pretty much in line with what Father shared just a few minutes ago. But thank you so much, Pranamji. We have one more call waiting, and go to them, please. Thank you so much,
Thank you
sir.
so much,
Thank
sir,
you,
for
thank you,
calling in.
thank
Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. Hello, Pam Pam, Konaji.
Bam bam.
Oh my
खेड़ा
God.
साहब इतने दिनों के बाद
I know. कैसे हैं खेड़ा साहब?
फाइनली नंबर लग गई आपकी. हाँ,
मैं बस जब से मुझे ऑनर मिला है ना तब से मैंने कहा कर ही लूं. मुझे जो
sorry.
पावरमेंट किया है.
सर मैं आपको क्या आई थिंक आपके लिए एक नया टाइटल लेके ऑनरेबल खेड़ा साहब. चल बोल दो आज ऑनरेबल खेड़ा साहब.
नहीं चाहिए कोई भी.
अच्छा नहीं, अरे या कम ऑन, टाइटल अच्छा है सर, ऑनरेबल खेड़ा साहब. नहीं अच्छा ठीक है. तो आपकी टिप्पणी आज के स्त्री शक्ति के बारे में.
मैं तो आप ड्राइव कर रहा था, आपकी आवाज सुनी, मैंने कहा फोन करके हालचाल पूछ लिया.
ओए होए सर, ठीक है सर. आप कैसे
कोरोना
हो?
का हाल है. स्त्री शक्ति तो आपने दिखा दी जितनी दिखानी थी. आपने कहा जी एक स्त्री शक्ति को दे रहे हैं, दूसरा कि पुरुष शक्ति ना पीछे रह जाए, जो भी मिला हाथ में आया वही दे दिया
किसको?
पुरुष शक्ति के लिए.
कौन सा वाला?
क्या?
मैं समझा नहीं.
क्या?
ओ क्या है?
स्त्री शक्ति तो मैंने देख ली थी आपकी उस दिन ना संडे को.
नहीं सर, वो आप जो कह रहे ना, मतलब मुझे कुछ और ही समझ में आ रहा है कि
नहीं, आप
जितना
जो
भी
मतलब
करो
बोले,
प्यार,
मतलब ही होगा.
नहीं जितना भी प्यार किसी से करो, प्यार आखिर में कम पड़ ही जाता है यार. क्या करें?
में कम पड़ ही जाता है.
हाँ, बिकॉज कुछ लोग ना चलेगा लेकिन
मैं
एक्चुअली फेसबुक पे
भावना ही समझ रहा हूँ.
नहीं, भावना ये यहाँ पे नहीं. हमारे बंधु एक थी भावना जी, वो मुंह हो गई.
नहीं वो है ना, लास्ट
सुनती
2 weeks ago कॉल किया
कॉल.
उन्होंने.
आप भावना जी फिर से कॉल कीजिएगा.
हाँ,
कि भावना
शर्मा
आप
जी अगर सुन रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे कॉल करिएगा.
आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हमारे खेड़ा
मैं
साहब.
उसके पीछे की भावना की बात कर रहा हूँ. आप साइड वाली भावना से ना कॉल करवाओ.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो एनीवेज खेड़ा साहब, बट यू फील एम्पावर्ड आफ्टर गेटिंग द पर्टिकुलर रिकॉग्निशन, करेक्ट?
हाँ जी.
वेरी गुड. ये हुई ना बात.
CNN खोल के देख रहा था, BBC देख रहा था.
हाँ.
मेरी न्यूज चल रही थी, पीछे कॉल करता हुआ आ रहा था.
वेरी गुड, तो आपने कॉल कर दिया अभी, वेरी गुड।
हाँ,
लेकिन
मैं
सर
thank you बोला
एक्चुअली
तो
ये
उस दिन
जो
तो आप लोग बिजी बहुत थे।
नहीं
तो
नहीं
मैंने
हमारा
कहा
लाइक
disturb करना है
नहीं
आपको,
किसी ने
तो
जो
आप-
एक मिनट आपके बाजू में जो हंस रही है ना उनको बताइएगा कि उन्होंने फेसबुक पे लगाया था कि आपका लाइन बिजी है, तो आपको बोलते हैं हमारे पास 4 लाइनें हैं एंड यू नो
नहीं
कभी लाइन बिजी नहीं होता नहीं है।
मैं सर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे हैं मेरे आसपास।
नहीं नहीं उनकी आवाज मुझे सुनाई दी एक्चुअली।
नहीं आवाज का आवाज कनेक्टर आवाज मार रहा है। हाँ जी।
अच्छा ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। बट अगेन खेड़ा साहब, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस। और आपको लगता है कि अभी तक वी रिक्वायर टू हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर वुमेन, राइट? अभी तो एम्पावरिंग होना चाहिए, राइट?
आप जो आपके एक्शंस हैं, जो आप रोज करते हो डेली बेसिस पे भी और वैसे भी इवेंट्स में करते हो, उसमें हर जगह पे वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का तो होता ही है एक सेक्शन।
ओ रियली?
हाँ
नहीं
जी।
एक्चुअली हमारे इर्द गिर्द में एम्पावर्ड वुमेन है, हम एम्पावरमेंट नहीं करते, वो लोग खुद एम्पावर्ड है।
हाँ,
हम वही करता है हम
Thank
लोग।
you.
मैन पावर है, वो आपका मैन पावर है।
अच्छा
that's true. That is true.
हाँ जी।
अगर मैन
जी।
पावर हमारा नहीं होता सर, I mean it is we all have to capitalize on our own strengths, right?
Yeah.
तो जहाँ
हाँ
तक
जी।
अगर एक एम्पावर्ड लेडी है, एम्पावर्ड वुमन है, तो उसको सराहना और उसको प्रोत्साहन देना, that is our duty as human beings,
Correct,
right?
correct,
To
very
make
true.
sure that
वैसे भी जो प्रज्ञा को लीड कर रहे हैं वो भी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का एक एग्जांपल है। चाहे आप हो, फाल्गुनी जी हैं, ज्योति जी हैं, जयश्री जी हैं, सारे साथ मिलके एज अ टीम, हैना जी, तो वो भी तो एक एग्जांपल ही है।
that is true.
Very
That is
true,
true.
sir, very
That is
true.
absolutely
And
true.
आप-
टू वाला नहीं था, ये आपका डायलॉग था।
नहीं और नहीं था।
नहीं, नहीं,
आप
but-
script से
but-
भटक रहे हो।
नहीं नहीं, एक्चुअली वैसे देखा जाए आपने एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट नाम आप भूल गए, हमारी जीजी जी भी हैं।
यस यस
हमारी a lot of
मुझे जितने की याद थे मैं उतने के ठीक है, मुझे बाकी ज्यादा याद नहीं। ये लंबे लंबे नाम मुझे याद नहीं रहती।
हाँ, हाँ,
अच्छा
अच्छा,
नहीं
ठीक
नहीं, let me आज तो स्त्री शक्ति बनता है,
हाँ,
तो इसीलिए
उनका
हम-
कॉल बनता है भाई। उन्होंने फेसबुक पे लगा के फोन, वो प्लीज डोंट बी फोन शाई, फील एम्पावर्ड टू गिव अस अ कॉल हियर।
Yeah.
मैं बताऊं क्यों है, आई टेल यू अबाउट माय थिंग आल्सो। खेड़ा साहब, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस, एंड अच्छे आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में सुन रहे हो तो मतलब थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट सर।
रियली मीन्स अ लॉट, थैंक यू
Really.
सो मच कि आपने इतने इम्पोर्टेंट शो पे कॉल किया। एंड ज़रूर यू नो प्लीज शेयर करिएगा अगर आपका कोई राय है विथ रिगार्ड टू एम्पावरमेंट एंड हाउ एग्जैक्टली you whether you believe that we can do better at empowering women.
देखो, यू ऑलरेडी गोइंग इन अ राइट डायरेक्शन विद राइट टीम, तो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ रूम फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट। परफेक्शन तो नहीं कहूंगा मैं आपको, बट स्टिल आपकी जो सी टीम है वो आपको आइडियाज देते हैं सारे, ऐसे करना चाहिए। वी एवरी टाइम वी ऑल कहूंगा, यू नहीं कहूंगा, वी ऑल कम अप विद अ न्यू आइडिया, न्यू कंसेप्ट, एंड very exciting, and anxiously we participate in that with the same enthusiasm.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
इसके आगे की इंग्लिश खत्म होगी मेरी।
9 बजे के बाद खुलेगी फिर से।
मैं डर गई, मैं बोला very anxiously.
बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस खेड़ा
आता
साहब।
ना, प्रणव जी वाला शब्दकोश मेरे पास नहीं है ना।
चलेगा उनके पास एक डिक्शनरी होता है, खोल के बैठते हैं वो लोग कॉल के लिए। बट थैंक यू so much for calling us, sir.
हाँ जी।
Thank you so much. And of course, Bhajan, if you want to give us a call, your number to call 408912247. We're talking about Stree Shakti today, and of course, the discussion was supposed to be in understanding whether we have to see, this concept of women empowerment, they say it, right? Now people think empowering is like, oh, we are empowering them. Again, like Farfari said in the beginning of the show, empowering somebody is like you actually trying to show that you have power and you're giving them power. No,
Correct.
it's not that.
Correct.
Empowerment, according to me, is something which is a internal thing, which actually comes up from within. Like how Farfari talked about the fact that cultural conditioning has disempowered many people, right? The disempowerment is actually a feeling people get.
Yeah.
And I strongly feel they have actually done wrong service by giving us a definition of empowerment wrongly in the dictionary. Yeah, it's fine. Why you want to go by dictionary? Throw a dictionary or create your own meaning for it. I feel empowerment is a feeling. And you facilitating that for people by supporting them is what's important, right?
Yeah.
And I'll talk more about next episode. We have one the waiting line. Father, can we go to them, please?
Yes. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार में। कौन है जी?
हेलो पैम।
Ah, finally.
पाम पाम, कैसे
इतना
हैं?
उकसाना पड़ा आपको कॉल करने के लिए। My God. पर अच्छा लगा आपने कॉल किया। हाँ।
एक्चुअली मैं एवरीवन वाज सेइंग कि भी कॉल करो एंड यू नो मी कि मैं कॉल नहीं करती हूँ,
हाँ।
तो मुझे लगा कि ओके लेट्स give it a shot because
नहीं,
this is my favorite topic.
हाँ
कि women empowerment के लिए I did so much in back in India. So काफी मतलब इसमें है, लेकिन जैसे मैंने बोला कि 100% फिर भी empowered नहीं है हम लोग. अगर अपने आप को भी देखें तो we are also stuck somewhere. कि जैसे प्रणव जी ने कहा ना कि अनकॉन्शियसली या कॉन्शियसली कह लो कि वी आर एक्चुअली अपने लिए भी हम गिल्टी हैं, क्योंकि बिकॉज हम 100% उस चीज को नहीं लेते हैं.
करेक्ट.
आई एम वर्किंग, आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल देयर इज समथिंग इन आवर माइंड कि नहीं, अच्छा हस्बैंड को ये करना है, बेटे को ये चाहिए, या कुछ भी मतलब कोई भी चीज होती है तो हमें वो सोचना पड़ता है बिकॉज हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग वैसी हुई है.
तो
जो काम लड़कियों को करना है वो लड़कियों को ही करना है.
तो मुझे let me ask you this question. जी आप you actually done a wonderful in fact I've known a lot of work which you do with the community. You don't even talk about it. You do such a lot of stuff. You've done things back in India, back over here as well, in terms of supporting people who actually are underprivileged and all, right? So my question to you is, आपके हिसाब से empowering जो होती है, हाँ अंग्रेजी शब्द है मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन that feeling क्या होती है? What is something which you think, though we not achieved it 100%, what do you think is empowerment? मतलब क्या हो, बताइए.
मुझे ये लगता है, जहाँ तक मैं अपने आप को देखती हूँ, आई एम लिविंग माई लाइफ फ्रॉम सो लॉन्ग लाइक अलोन, जिसको कह लो कि किसी को पूछना नहीं है, कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, राइट. बट कहीं ना कहीं पे अगर मैं अपने आप को एक फैमिली में देखूँ तो देन देयर इज अ रिस्ट्रिक्शन, चाहे वो कपड़ों की हो, चाहे वो आपके किसी भी चीज, मतलब जैसे अगर मैं तो प्रणव जी की से बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रेस हूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी बोली कि जैसे अगर रात को कोई टास्क है तो यूजुअली वो मैनेजर ये सोचते नहीं यार ये फीमेल है, ये नहीं कर सकेगी, है ना. तो वो हमेशा मुझे वो चीज बहुत इरिटेट करती थी. जब मैंने गुड़गांव में जयपुर में जब मैं जॉब की तो देन आई रियलाइज दैट थिंग ऑल्सो. तो मुझे सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो ऑपरेशनल हेड था उसने ये पूछा कि आर यू ओके कि अगर हम नाइट शिफ्ट कर दे तो मैंने बोला मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो कह रहा नहीं, बिकॉज यू आर द ओनली फीमेल इन आवर ग्रुप. मुझे लगा अच्छा, मैंने कहा नहीं मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अगर आप शिफ्ट कर रहे हो तो देन आई एम फाइन विद दैट. कहता नहीं, अगर आपको मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट चाहिए तो आप मॉर्निंग में आओ. तो मुझे लगा, मैंने उसको राइट में बोला कि मैं यूएस से वापस गई थी, तो मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा व्हाई यू आर सेइंग सो. मैंने कहा ये तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो गया कि तुम वैसे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ हम बराबर का काम करते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज द सेम, बट मैं कहा व्हाई यू आर कंसीडरिंग मी एज अ कि हाँ मैं फीमेल हूँ, मैं रात को नाइट शिफ्ट में नहीं आऊंगी. तो मैंने कहा ये मतलब तुमने अपने आप कैसे कर लिया ना डिसाइड कि हाँ ठीक है आपको हम मॉर्निंग में बुलाएंगे. तो मैंने कहा इट्स ओके. मैंने कहा एवरीथिंग कैन, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि कुछ मिसहैपनिंग मेरे साथ ही होगी, लड़कों के साथ भी हो सकती है.
करेक्ट.
तो मतलब अगर मैं ये सोच के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है बेसिकली कि आप कैसे उस चीज को लेते हो. अगर मैं अपने आप को पिछले कुछ सालों में इमेजिन करूं कि लाइक फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग ऑफ 2000 till 2014 I was very different person, but after 2014 and now I'm totally different.
Yeah, after you met us again totally different. अरे आजकल आप रेडियो पे फोन कर रहे हो, वाह. आप रेडियो पे फोन कर रहे हो, कोई सेंसरशिप नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ पे. हाँ. तो don't you think so?
मतलब मेरे लिए ठीक है, अभी सब कुछ बढ़िया लगता है, लेकिन हाँ अगर एम्पावरमेंट की बात की जाए तो यस वी नीड लॉट ऑफ वर्कआउट इन आवरसेल्फ एक्चुअली, नॉट इन अदर्स. पहले अपने आप के ऊपर काम करना है, फिर आप दूसरों के ऊपर काम कर सकते हो.
तो जी ने जो बोला, I mean I want to emphasize on something that she was talking about, Altu Baba, with your permission Gigi. So उन्होंने कहा कि she used some operative terms which were I am free, I live on my own, I am independent, everything talking about emancipation, because she is that kind of an empowered person already. When she was not stripped of that power early at any one particular point in time in her life, because of people's expectations, because of her own expectations that have been put on her by her own her upbringing. Also that is what made her feel stifled, if I'm not mistaken.
And I have a beautiful song lined up for you, especially Gigi, aapke liye and all the women out there.
Yeah.
who are on the path, who actually are definitely saying that yes, we need to empower more women. And actually, it does not mean that we actually in a status of power trying to give them empowerment, but making it simple for them to be able to express themselves, right? That's important.
And
या बिल्कुल
वो जो स्त्री शक्ति है उसको कुचलना नहीं है.
Yeah.
The idea
हाँ,
is
क्योंकि मुझे खुद को बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें मुझे लगती हैं कि हमें एक दूसरे को या हमें ऐसा एक वो प्रोग्राम या कोई भी चीज ऐसी जनरेट करनी चाहिए जिससे कि हमें लगे कि यस वी आर एक्चुअली डूइंग समथिंग फॉर द कम्युनिटी फॉर द फीमेल्स एक्चुअली.
Right.
और फीमेल्स को ये नहीं कि एडल्ट मतलब बच्चों से लेकर हमें उनको वो चीज सिखानी चाहिए.
right.
So
exactly.
ये थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द कॉल. जी ऐसे कॉल करते
Thank
रहना.
you guys, thank
एंड
you
ये
so
गाना आपके लिए
Thank you.
स्पेसिफिकली, ओके?
Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic
Thank
evening.
you.
And of course, this song I played for you in the morning as well. It's a beautiful song from this group called Mard, comprising of Salim Suleiman and also Farhan Akhtar Banjan.
किसी का घर बसाना है, कहते हैं तुम हो अमानत दूसरे की, उनसे कहो अपनी भी जिद है, तोड़े हम सारे ये बिगड़े झूले.
A beautiful song in the music direction of Salim and Suleiman Baljan, the brother duo which actually makes wonderful music for us, Baljan. And lyrics by Farhan Akhtar himself and also by Shraddha Pandit.
हम जीत ले, बदले रास्ता, हर धड़कन बोले.
ये कोई फिल्म वाला गाना नहीं है बलजान, ये हकीकत का गाना है. वैसे हकीकत is not a movie name बलजान. Reality what's happening out there. Yes, it's still not there बलजान. Long way to go.
बेटे बुढ़ापे का सहारा है, बेटियां बस एक बोझ है. कहते हैं जो बुरा हुआ तेरा कसूर है, उनसे कहो अपनी भी जिद है, तोड़े हम सारे ये बिजले झूले आसमां, दिखना हम जीत ले, बदले रास्ता, हर धड़कन बोले झूले आसमां, दिखना हम जीत ले, बदले रास्ता, हर धड़कन बोले.
It's a beautiful song बलजान. और थोड़ा सुनेंगे इसके बारे में. And of course, yes, if you want to get the information about the song, we're going to post it on Facebook for sure. But it's a beautiful song. Initiative called Mard started a few years ago, Baljan,
Which
in
is
2014.
basically men against rape and discrimination.
Correct.
हम हैं संग तेरे, रोके से न रुके, और कतरा चीख के और आए संग मेरे, अब रोगे ना रुके.
Towards the end of the song, Baljan, you hear is nice poetry by Farhan Akhtar. Listen to it right now. It's coming up. It's a beautiful one.
कोई अगर हमसे पूछे कौन है हम, चाहे हम जो भी अपनी पहचान कहें, जब तक हमारे बीच बराबरी ना हो, तब तक कैसे खुद को हम इंसान कहें.
झूले आसमां, इतना हम जीत ले, बदले रास्ता, हर धड़कन बोले झूले आसमां, इतना हम जीत ले, बदले रास्ता, हर धड़कन बोले झूले.
This is Farhan Akhtar and you're listening to Radio The Hotties, where the entertainment just keeps getting hotter.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया, घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया। हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया, घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया। फेसबुक लाइव को टीवी पे स्ट्रीम किया। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। आलतू फालतू व्हाट फन, हम भी बंधु बन गए। महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए। आलतू फालतू व्हाट फन, हम भी बंधु बन गए। महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए। डी हॉटीज की रेडियो के सारे बंधु बन गए। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर।
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कार
वणक्कम
खुशामदी
सलाम अलैकुम
सत श्री अकाल
మీకందరికీ వందనము
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेंद्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद
मौलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदों को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बटजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे। मैं से फालतू बाबा
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंद जानी।
That's right, Banjan. Of course, आज का टॉपिक जो है ना very interesting बन आज का थीम जो है आज स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार। मतलब talking about the March, महिला March जो है we said the whole month is going to get dedicated towards women and we'll talk about topics which are related to women, Banjan. So yes, men folk, you should be calling, you should be listening to this. You learn a few things if possible.
Yeah.
And we talked about why you should not worry about the fact that oh we don't know what women want. Yes, we know what women want. A little bit of respect. That's all they want. That's all. That's all they want.
Okay.
Right?
I
No?
think women just want to let people let them be.
Let them be. That's it. And
Let
that's
them
so
be.
simple. Let
ऐसा
them
नहीं
be.
है तुम गोरी नहीं हो तो ऐसे काम करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए तो तुम you know
No, गोरी नहीं है तो तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए.
stuff like that. Yeah,
I
it's
remember
like-
somebody had shared this also. One of our brothers had called up and shared. this
Yeah,
also.
and then you got to be a certain size. उसको देखो, उनका बेटा देखो, उनकी बेटी देखो, ऐसे पढ़ती है, ऐसे करती है.
That
So,
is
you know,
what we
that's-
do.
it's
See,
such
those are the actions and those are the behaviors what we are engaging in.
Yeah.
Right? Called it cultural, traditional, whatever you call it. That is what actually is disempowering them, Madhujan.
And I know that many times, you know, it's not, none of us do this intentionally, right, Alto Baba?
Yeah, like
But
how.
I know that there are many people who I come across, like the very fact that you can go home, both of you, you've gone out, you're very tired, you come back home, you flop on the sofa, and then you tell your loved one, especially your wife or your girlfriend or whoever, and say, hey, ek cup chai bana do na.
Huh.
It's like a lot of times we kind of take it for granted. Why is it her role to cook or make a cup of chai?
Yeah,
Why?
yeah.
It may not be, you probably don't mean anything. You probably would happily make the cup of chai. But the fact that you can conveniently say that, it speaks of a certain amount of conditioning and misogyny.
Correct. And of course, Bhaja, please don't get bhatkufied because she talked about gender roles. She gave an example of how even those can disempower somebody.
Yeah.
And again, empowerment ka matlab kya hota hai? Don't ever think that, oh, I'm going to be empowering you. No, it's not the right way to say it. Actually, you say yes, you got to feel empowered. That's all. Simple and plain.
Yeah.
And we do things and put systems in place where people can feel empowered. Like, for instance, affirmative action is a way of empowering people who actually are underserved, right?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's about empowering people, like, and of course, giving them the opportunity to feel empowered.
Yeah.
That's what we can do, right?
Yeah.
And that's what we always try to do with our Pragna, for the matter. Pragna also is trying to empower people, empower the children, empower anybody who's an ally to start feeling that, no, the sense of belonging for the other person.
Exactly.
And do more, right?
Exactly.
And that's exactly what we see also happening. And thank you so much, Kela, for actually saying that you felt the same way. And yes, that was the intention, to see if we can actually get you guys to feel empowered about doing things for the community. And right up, Bhajan, she brought on a very good point. Faltwani brought on a very good point about the expectations put on a girl child, right?
Huh.
Especially a girl. It happens to boys also. I'm not saying that, it doesn't happen. It happens to everybody. Everybody in our life. We are defined by our culture. We are defined in sometimes positive, sometimes negative way by what we go through. And culture does not mean the broader culture of Indian culture, whatever. Culture also means your specific unit of family.
Yeah.
How you come up with and what challenges you go through in your life is what defines your culture. And yes, unfortunately or fortunately, some of us come through it, and sometimes some of us shine, some of us succumb to it, and many of us actually feel the strain and feel disempowered because of whatever we have been through in our lives, right?
Yeah.
And there's a beautiful song, Fatwani. I would like to play the song to start off the second hour of our show.
Yeah.
And yes, I would like to open the conversation again for our bandhus who are listening to us right now. You're probably joining in right now, wondering what's happening on the show. अरे क्या हो रहा है रेडियो पे? ये बंदा जो ऐसे बात कर रहा है एकदम रफ्तार सिंह जैसा. Yes, I speak very fast sometimes. I'll try to keep it slow. But the point is, I want to make sure that you can actually feel empowered to give me a call and tell me that. So I will take your feedback for sure, Bandhujan. Number to call you 408-912-2479. Yeah, when you call here, you can call up and say, hey, I don't understand what empowerment is. That's okay. It's okay. Say that. Call up and say, it's all, bullpucky. I don't mind. You can say, it doesn't work at all. There's nothing called as empowerment, blah, blah, blah. We have come across, we are the age, we're going to the moon. You can say that. No problem. I'll tell you why. That's the whole thing. We want you to feel empowered to give us a call here, right? We're not going to judge you.
Yeah.
We're not going to judge you. Have a conversation, open for conversation, give us a call, 408-912-2479. What is empowerment to you? Is it something that's still got to go on? Right? Is that something which you have to keep on going, looking out for? You tell us. I want the ladies to call today. I want the guys to call today and tell us about this. Now, yes, it could be something which you know, you might not know also. You can call up and say, I don't know much about it, but still I want to learn more about it. We'll be happy to share. Faltari is right here. She's got a plethora of knowledge she can share with you guys.
No, not plethora of knowledge.
Yeah, you're living the life, Faltari. You should know about it, right?
Well, unfortunately or fortunately, only the person who's undergoing the experience, Bandhujan, is the person. Even I can't experience, I can't really actually say that I know what another woman is going through. It's impossible. But the most जो हम allies बनाते हैं, जो allyship support program हमारा प्रज्ञा में है for the developmentally different community who society, the ableist society calls disabled, is the same kind of mentality that we need to have when it comes to women as well. And unfortunately or fortunately, आज भी अगर आप देखोगे कि especially Asian and South Asian households में maximum 96% of girls, teen girls, are diagnosed, and who are in the South Asian community are diagnosed with mental health conditions such as major depressive disorder and generalized anxiety disorder. Why? Because they are torn between the fact that, oh, I have all these cultural expectations of me कि मुझे एक 4.0 GPA होना चाहिए, इतने APs लेने चाहिए, मुझे ऐसे दिखना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसे दिखना, I am not blonde, I am not fair, I am not this, I have to do something, and they act out in different ways. So it's a lot of things. It's not just the women who are our previous generation, it's not our generation, it's also the next generation, and we're passing these values on, and I think that's the reason we wanted to have this conversation. आज भी अगर आप हिंदी film industry में देखोगे भी, what is the thing, right? The hashtag #MeToo, how it died a horrible death in the Hindi film industry.
Very true. And not
in
only
America, they came together, right, Altu?
Yeah, but even then, it's still like getting hushed up, right, because of money.
Yeah.
But the point I'm making, Valtani said this thing, right, we are passing on the values and culture. What we're also passing on is half information.
Right.
And about, especially in terms of semantics, language. People think they know language, but I don't know how many of them actually know language.
Yeah.
Very few people are Shashita who likes, like a Faltrani and anybody else who actually know in depth about all these things, about all the words and all the stuff. But I'll tell you one thing about it. We got to talk about the empathy. We talk about all those things, right? We talk about empowerment also. Now, empowerment ka matlab kya? What do you think empowerment is? Give us a call here. You might be wrong. You might be reading me from a dictionary also. It's fine. Doesn't matter. Just give us a call and share with us what you think empowerment is. And I will share what I have in a few minutes, Banajan, for sure, before the hour closes out. But right now, I want to jump into this particular self-image thing you talked about, Faltrani, which actually many a times, because of these social norms, we tend to feel disempowered.
Yeah.
Because of the social norms. And this is not something which is propagated by our culture. It's propagated by the pop culture.
Correct.
Right? About what is beautiful. The definition of beauty and everything.
Yeah.
So here's a beautiful song for this movie called Fanne Khan. अगर आपने देखा नहीं तो देखिए ज़रूर. I'll talk a little more about the song as we get into it. It's a very nice melodious song sung by Monali Thakur, right?
Yeah, and the lyrics are by Kausar Munir, is it?
We'll come to that. Yeah, Kausar Munir is a lyricist on this. Sorry, Ishad Kamil.
Ishad Kamil Saab, yeah.
We'll come to that, Banajan.
पगलाई पगलाई दुनिया ये लोगों को पढ़ती है अखबारों की ही तरह देखे वो जिस्मों से आगे भी थोड़ा सा बातों के पीछे भी झांके जरा जो है छुपा जो ना पढ़ा कितना कुछ है ऐसा लिखा नजरों में जो आया नहीं दुनिया वालों को ना दिखा तेरे जैसा तू है मेरे जैसी मैं हूँ तेरे जैसा तू है मेरे जैसी मैं हूँ तेरे मेरे जैसा कोई होगा क्यों तेरे जैसा तू है मेरे जैसी मैं हूँ
And of course, Banajan, like Faltrani pointed out, it is Ishad Kamil who actually written the lyrics of the song, Banajan. Music by Amit Trivedi. And you guys know Amit Trivedi's got some wonderful music for us, Banajan. This movie also, Fanne Khan, revolves around the relationship between a father and a daughter, right? Most importantly. But also the fact that the daughter herself is fighting a particular battle of her own, which is self-image.
कागज सी मुस्काने हैं न होठों पे बेमानी सामर हम जैसे हो इन चोटों पे सच में कभी हंस ना सके खुल के रो भी पाते नहीं क्या रोक है हम क्यों भला
Beja just now talking about things people, self-image, lookings, and all those things on Facebook. Conversation going on between Fatrani and Deepa there, and somebody talking about are you feeling sick and everything based on the fact that just because one makeup item is missing. Why do you think that looks sick? It doesn't look sick at all.
No, it's probably they feel that I look tired. That's why.
सपनों से ही मैं जिंदा हूँ झूठी सी दुनिया की परवाह हमने करनी ही क्यों कुछ खास है कुछ खूब है तुझ में तुझको है ये खबर एक दोस्ती सच से तेरी दूजा साथी तेरा सबर तेरे जैसा तू है मेरे जैसी मैं हूँ तेरे जैसा तू है मेरे जैसी मैं हूँ तेरे मेरे जैसा
A very tough song to be singing, Baljan. Easily a father just belts it out without any effort, Baljan. And yes, it actually is a tough song. Murali Thakur did an excellent job on this, Baljan. Lyrics by Ishad Kamal Saab, and I will let you guys get to the crescendo of the song. Here you go. That's why Baljan, you automatically stand up, start clapping because he went to the crescendo. Automatically, it happens when, I remember this Rafi Saab songs generally goes to the kind of crescendo towards the end, right?
Yeah.
Amit Trivedi has totally copied that. Anyways.
Well, one thing about this song is also the fact that one doesn't expect the visual image for a lot of us doesn't match what we want to be seeing when the song is being belted out. You would imagine, look at this particular thing, Bandhujan, when you saw the promos to this movie Fanne Khan, right? Who was featured in the promos?
Yeah, it was Aishwarya Rai.
There was no talk of even Anil Kapoor. There's barely any talk of Anil Kapoor. And then there's Aishwarya Rai and Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah.
Why?
And the song promo they had for the movie could have been on purpose. No, it was not. I really think that.
For some reason, and even today, has this actor who's a feature in this movie, she's done a phenomenal job. I don't know if you guys know what a fantastic dancer she is. There's another song in this movie called Foo by Foo Foo Gadi Foo. It's a really, really fun song, and you should see the ease with which he dances, right?
Yeah, in fact, I'll play that song actually. I'm going to play that song, but I'll probably bring it towards the end of the somewhere. Let's see. I'll play it for you guys. If at all you ask me for it.
Yeah, and तूने बताया ना Altu Baba कि इसमें self-image issues. She does have self-image issues, but when does she feel emancipated? When her dad steps up and says, "You're beautiful the way you are."
Yeah, you are the way you are is what he says.
Yeah.
And I'll just want to complete what we were saying. You were saying that the promotions of the particular movie, right?
Yeah.
The song promos actually had Aishwarya Rai dancing to it.
Exactly, Banujan. There was no promo. This lady is not featured anywhere in the promos.
Even now, Baljan, if you go look it up, until we tell you who the person is, you will not find out on maybe the YouTube or any other places where they won't give credit to her at all.
Yeah, there's barely any credit given to this actor. अगर आपने देखा ये movie self image अगर आपने देखी नहीं है ज़रूर देखिएगा because this is something that a lot of our girls suffer with. Now they don't have to be weighing a stone and whatever, right? They don't have to weigh 100 kgs for them to feel ashamed of themselves and for you to do that. There are girls that I know in the United States, Banjan, because there are unrealistic expectations of girls कि अगर वो size 0 नहीं है, size 2 नहीं है, size 4 नहीं है, इतना, my goodness, why is it so such a big deal? For me, I take it, I get very upset with people when they're actually talking about shaming people with regard to the way they look, the color of their skin, or the how much they weigh. Oh my God, Altu can tell you, I go to I pick a fight and I start talking about that. Why? Who is anybody to decide who is better looking or not?
Correct. And of course, the person we're talking about, the featured heroine in the particular movie, Fanny Khan, is Pihu Sand. And Pihu Sand has not been featured anywhere. There's no mention of her. If you go look it up on the YouTube, you're not going to find credits for her. Movie title, if at all, was a thing in the... what are the OTT pe jo bhi aata hai, where you have it, you don't have mentions of her. Why?
Exactly, Banajan.
You gotta think about those things, Banajan.
So think about it. This is all disempowering. Think about Pihu Sand, who is the main lead for this movie. How she must be feeling.
Yeah.
How should she be in? What kind of a state of mind should she be in when it is a movie is a super duper success?
Irony is, after this particular movie, she lost a ton of weight.
Oh, did she? Oh God! I say,
Hey,
hey, that's up to her.
that's up
if she
to her.
wanted
Yes,
to.
yeah, but I just said it's irony.
Yeah. It's not irony, Altaba. It's also that lady, right? What's her name? I forgot her name, man. The one who went, who was like, oh, Angel something. What is her name?
Who?
The pretty, the one who used to act as the Australian heroine.
What's her name? Oh, no.
Oh God.
She's Australian. Yes, you're right.
Who? Come on, Aditi, help me out. I forgot her name.
Hey, I know. Rebel.
Rebel Wilson, right?
Rebel Wilson.
So she was also somebody who.
But you very lightly put it, right?
What?
It's my job, what I want to do.
Yeah.
She didn't do it because she was actually doing pretty good the way she was.
Yeah.
And I think that's, to a certain level,
Huh.
if you want to have a reference point of empowered,
Yeah.
that's empowerment.
That's empowerment.
Well, you're not being bashful about it, but of course you would just be comfortable the way you are.
Yeah.
To be comfortable in your skin the way you are, I
Yeah.
think is empowerment. I'll talk about empowerment some more. Is it time for me to talk about it? No, it's still 6:20. I'll have time for to share
Yeah,
about my
Banajan,
thoughts.
Aditi, we see that you're listening to us, and all our
What?
bandhus, Tanushri, I think you're listening to us too.
Are you
and so
guys
many of our
not feeling
bandhus-
empowered to call us?
Yeah, seriously, don't you think this is important for you to talk about? Amina ji, call in. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah.
Rashi, I
What's your
see you
Rashi?
watching us.
Yeah, everybody.
Rashi
Oh my
Pant.
God! Hey, that's not fair. It's like, seriously, this particular thing. What you call that? Our Facebook is pretty much like a open thing. Huh? Everybody can.
What?
We can see who's watching us and all.
Sometimes you can't see everybody. You can't see all the time, Ray Altu.
You gotta be careful when you watch us, Badajan. No longer can you watch us text. We're watching you.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, Deepa brings up another point, Altu Baba. She says even the secret superstar heroine, right? What's her name? That what was her name? Saira. No. Sai. Something Saira. I forgot her name. What her name is?
Banu.
Hey, Wasim, something, I forgot her name. God, I'm really losing. I'm really tired, Banajan.
How
I'm
will
not
she
kidding.
feel if she realized that you actually don't know her name? Huh?
Was
How
I
will
right?
How will Zara Wasim know about?
Zaira Wasim.
How will
I
she
was
feel?
right. See, I was right. Zaira Wasim. Okay, so she.
Okay, you were right.
Yeah.
Zaira.
I was saying Wasim.
Whatever.
Kuch bhi, I was.
Faltrani, please.
This is how he disempowers me.
Oh.
And you wonder why
Yeah,
I look
right,
tired and why I
disempower.
feel sad. Why I look sad. That's what he does.
Correcting you is not disempowering you, Faltrani. Correcting you
No,
is like,
I said Zaira Wasim.
I was
It
trying to help you to, understand that that's the name. Zaira Wasim.
Okay. So, with her, Deepa says that she quit Bollywood. Yeah. Why did she quit Bollywood, Deepa? We'd love to hear from you.
Deepa, give us a
So
call. Why
what
did she-
your opinion? But I think
Yeah.
there is a reason.
Uh-huh.
That is another way that we, by even religious expectations, right? She actually said that it goes against her. There's a lot of things that happen in the industry that goes against her religion.
What is the religion?
She's Muslim, right? Obviously.
Okay.
So, if that were the case, then how did she enter the industry in the first place? And why should someone feel persecuted because of religion in a space? Because obviously there are certain things that are kosher that are happening in the industry. There could be practices in place. You never know. There could be something where she's required to do an audition where she's supposed to strip down to nothing.
Oh.
Yeah. Is that if that's against your faith and that's against your belief, then what the heck? How did you enter the industry in the first place, right? Altu Baba, क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं Kavita, continue.
क्या?
नहीं, Faltrani, continue.
So anyway, Deepa, you're right. We'd love to hear from you as to what your thoughts are as to why she quit. She couldn't fight in real life. You say that she fights in the movie, but she can't fight in real life. Is that is that an undue expectation that her faith puts on her, or the interpreters of her faith have put on her? I don't believe so. But either ways, because I know a lot of fantastic emancipated and empowered Muslim women. I know so many of them who are absolutely, powerhouses of energy and of talent, of entrepreneurship. They're amazing women, and I don't know what it is that where she gave up and she said, okay, I'm quitting the industry.
Well, that's fine. You should give her the freedom to decide what she wants to do based on whatever things she believes, right?
Well, yes, absolutely.
Well, did she go out with a sword thing, like, oh, this is not done and all that stuff? No.
I think she said that as far as I know, her Twitter post said that she's going off because of the fact that there's her things that are done in this industry are not in keeping with her faith or something like that. So yeah. So then Deepa says her family didn't support it. Where did you say it?
Well, give us a call, Deepa, and tell us. Otherwise, we just got to keep searching and scrolling through the whole comments of our Facebook page. But give us a call. You can directly share with us 408-912-2479. To keep that going, Father, how about a song from the movie itself?
Yeah,
there's a beautiful song from the movie. Many songs in the movie are beautiful. What song do you want to listen to, Father?
Any song is fine, Altavava. I think Mac On, who is one of the songs that one of our bandhus requested, Meenakshi ji requested. लेकिन ये self exploration जो है वो होने के लिए भी चांस नहीं देता है समाज. They give men a lot of that. For men, it's taken for granted. He's trying to find himself. लेकिन अगर एक girl करेगी, वो बोलेंगे कि she's rebelling, and she's being a bad girl.
मैं हूँ कहाँ कोई तो बता दे मेरा पता सही है कि नहीं मेरी डगर लूं कि नहीं मैं अपना ये सफर डर लगता है सपनों से कर देना ये तबाह डर लगता है अपनों से दे देना ये दगा मैं चांद हूँ या दाग हूँ मैं राख हूँ या आग हूँ मैं बूंद हूँ या हूँ लहर मैं हूँ सुकून या हूँ कहर
Beautiful lyrics by Kausar Munir. Amit Trivedi's music direction yet again.
There you can see the similarity between his music style of making music, Jan, a rocking kind of a music which he's given towards the song as well. Amit Trivedi, Kausar Munir, and singer Meghna Mishra. We'll come back to a song just a bit, but we have a bandhu waiting in line. Let's go to them. Namaskar. आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है आज का स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार में. Who's this? Hello, Pam Pam.
Hello, Pam Pam. Deepa here.
Deepa, oh my God, the Sri Shakti of Mountain House.
The Sri Shakti from Mountain House.
It's all
There's Sri Shakti all over.
Yeah, one of the Mountain House Shakti she's.
Yeah, she is Sri Shakti even here, Bay Area mein.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Sri Shakti. My
yeah. हाँ बोलो Deepa.
हाँ अरे वही पंचरानी तुमने बोला ना वो ज़ाहिरा वसीम.
हाँ.
You pretty much said it. That's the reason she quit. वैसे ही उसने सब जगह statement भी वही दिया. I mean there were many incidents which happened and she is young also ना मतलब I think she entered the industry teenage में and family wanted to पता नहीं कहीं पे लिखा था कि education and nobody is stopping the education anyways. Somehow and if she was not supported she would not even entered in the first place.
Yeah.
So बाद में all of a sudden she gave a statement like okay I'm not interested. Lot of things happened and there was definitely a pressure on her from cultural point of view, a religious point of view. I think she is a Kashmiri Muslim or something. So उनको वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि पता नहीं कि इसने क्यों एंटर किया इंडस्ट्री.
See, here's what I say: the battle is lost over here again because of the fact that an individual from the particular community, felt disempowered thanks to the wonderful, norms which just set up in the industry, right?
Exactly.
That's again something you got to take offense for, and you got to make sure you can change those norms. Or whatever, change those systems of the system itself.
I think she was just leaving the door open for herself by not being completely open about why she quit the film fraternity. Yes, there is a lot of gand in the film fraternity. Had she called it out, it would have been, I think it would have been better so that people would have known really what it is, because it should not be. I mean, and we know basically because we were so close to Mahima ji, and we know how nasty any industry can get. Forget the film industry, everything, ad industry.
But then again, I should tell you one thing, Faltwani, that's where empowerment comes in. I'll talk a little bit about that as we get into it for sure. But Deepa, thank you so much for calling us. We have one more meeting.
So I mean, same thing. Even like for Gracie Singh, the way, I mean, even though she gave like 2 major hits like Lagan and Munna Bhai MBBS, so she didn't get enough roles, good roles, because she was not ready to do the modern roles. That's what I heard.
Okay.
So उसको भी corner कर दिया गया. So like many people, this way or that way. Yeah.
That's true. That's one thing which happens in the industry. We know it for sure. It's very competitive. But thank you so much for calling us and sharing this with us, Deepa ji. Sunte rahega. We have one more caller waiting. Let's go to them, please. Oh, they hung up on us.
Okay, no worries.
Oh,
They're
there you go.
coming in.
Namaskar. आपका हर स्वागत है Pam के स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार में. Who's this?
Hi, Pam.
Hi. कैसे? बहुत दिनों के बाद.
Oh my God, कहाँ थी आप?
Missed your voice so long.
हाँ.
आप कैसे हैं दोनों?
हम ठीक है, लेकिन आपका are you under the weather by any chance?
नहीं, I'm okay.
Okay.
Your voice sounds like जो वहाँ पे snowstorm हो रहा था वो थोड़ी आपके अंदर आ गया.
और लगता है कि आप बहुत पार्टी कर ली सवेरे.
हाँ, और बहुत पार्टी हो गई. मीनाक्षी जी?
होए.
अरे नहीं, I wasn't well.
अच्छा. Well, big जादू की झप्पी from all of us.
Yeah. Listen to our show at least continuously for 5 days. You'll feel better.
Yeah.
I was listening. It's just I wasn't calling, but I was listening.
Yeah.
Awesome.
When you call, you feel much better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
तो आज आपका I want to take your tippany on this empowerment. What do you think? Is it something which what is empowerment to you?
Empowerment मेरे हिसाब से तो अगर हम एक मेल और फीमेल या बॉय या गर्ल का चश्मा उतार के सबको सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी दे तो फिर एम्पावरमेंट की बात ही नहीं रह जाएगी.
So do you feel empowered?
हाँ, अपने आप अपने अंदर से यस, बट कभी कभी थोड़ा सोसाइटी से लड़ना पड़ता है, आसपास के लोगों से लड़ना पड़ता है, लेकिन स्टिल इफ यू नो कि तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन stood for yourself, take stand for yourself or fight for yourself. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि इतना भी चांस नहीं दिया जाता कि आप अपने लिए भी खड़े हो सको, तो दैट इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को ये चांस भी नहीं मिल पाता. तो एटलीस्ट आई एम लाइक ब्लेस्ड कि एटलीस्ट हमें ये चांस मिला कि हमें पता है हमारी डायरेक्शन क्या है और हमें कहाँ जाना है, और उसके लिए हम लड़ सकते हैं. अगर लड़ना पड़े तो जरूरी नहीं है हर बार लड़ाई करनी पड़े, बट यस इफ यू हैव टू टेक स्टैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ तो आप खड़े हो सकते हो.
So there was never a time in life when you felt that somebody empowered you, no, right?
नहीं, बिल्कुल. फैमिली सपोर्ट तो हमेशा रहा है, तो उससे ही आप एम्पावर्ड हो, तो उसी से आपको समझ में आता है डिफरेंस. अगर आपके लाइक अर्ली एज में अगर आपकी फैमिली सपोर्टिव नहीं होगी, और मैंने अपने साथ के लोगों को देखा जिनकी फैमिली सपोर्टिव नहीं थी, तो उसमें डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया था कि पीछे से सपोर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी होता है, फैमिली का या कोई भी आपके आसपास के जो भी लोग हैं.
तो अगर वो सपोर्टिव होंगे तो यस वो आपको आगे बढ़ने में मदद करेंगे, और ये वाइस वर्सा भी हो सकता है। जरूरी नहीं है कि एक फीमेल को ही हमेशा सपोर्ट की जरूरत पड़े। हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के केस में भी देखिए, अगर जो वाइफ स्टे एट होम वाइफ है तो साइलेंटली एम्पावर करती है अपने हस्बैंड को, तभी वो इतना सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं।
करेक्ट।
तो वो साइलेंट सपोर्टर है या एम्पावरमेंट कर रही है। तो ये तो वाइस वर्सा दोनों तरफ से प्रोसेस है। तो किसी जगह पर मेल को भी एम्पावरमेंट की जरूरत होती है और उन्हें वो सपोर्ट मिलता है, और फीमेल को भी। बट यह है कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज इक्वल दी जाए। अगर आपने भगवान ने पंख दिए उड़ने के लिए, लेकिन फीमेल के साथ क्या होता है कि उड़ान तो भरने देते हैं लेकिन उनकी सीमाएं बांध देते हैं कि आप इससे आगे नहीं जा सकते, खुला आकाश नहीं मिलता उन्हें उड़ने के लिए। तो वहाँ डिफरेंस आ जाता है। अगर ये एक्सपेक्टेशन का बोझ उतार दिया जाए, सीमाओं में बांधना छोड़ दिया जाए, तो उनकी उड़ान भी बहुत ऊंची हो सकती है।
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली। एंड अगर वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं देंगे तो वो हौसला और वो हिम्मत और वो जो स्ट्रेंथ कहाँ से आएगा? To be able to believe, to be able to get that resilience, to be able to fly higher or soar higher, जो कहते हैं, unless you're able to, you're giving them the opportunity to do what they want to do. How would they ever have the strength to be able to do it? Is the important thing. And yeah, in fact आप जो भी गाना सुनोगे ना, most of the movies जहाँ पे female empowerment के गाने हैं, या तो एक गाना ऐसा होगा कि पिंजरा तोड़ के उड़ जाना है, मनवा पंख लगा के likes to fly, और फिर क्या दूसरा एक और गाना, खोल दे पर। These are all songs which are actually specifically describing how they want to fly away, because women have been put into a cage, in literally a golden cage. No matter how beautiful you look, the cage is, it is still a cage. At the end of the day, right? A cage of expectation, a cage of,
So, by government standards, women should not have gold jewelry, Fatwani.
Why?
Yeah, it kind of weighs them down, right?
Yeah, it's so sort of the whole idea of giving them and loading them up with jewelry
was to keep them
make sure that they don't run away from the husband.
Exactly. My goodness. There you go. I just said all the guys, they say, what if Fatwa, can I quote you on this? Yes.
Really?
Take it, Badja, take it. Go tell them. You don't require gold. Because that means you actually have got to stay grounded that time. That's why.
Yeah.
Very good. Hey, thank you so much for this wonderful... Yeah, bolo. कुछ बोल रहे थे आप?
नहीं, मैं तो बस इतना बोल रही हूँ कि फीमेल को ना फ्लैग बेयरर बना दिया सोसाइटी का। तो सारी चीजें जैसे कि घर और खानदान की इज्जत, अपने रिलीजन को रिप्रेजेंट करने का सही तरीका, सब तरह के एक्सपेक्टेशन उस पे लाद दी गई है, और वो फ्लैग बेयरर है। उसे हंस के रोके, कभी कभी रिबेल बन के, उसके बाद भी उसे वो फ्लैग आगे लेके जाता है।
Exactly. And that again is in a way disempowering.
Yes, it is.
Putting expectations on them. I see. There's nothing wrong with putting expectations. It's fine. I'm just saying that don't put limiting expectations on them. Yes, expect them to succeed.
Yeah, expectation मेल पे भी होती है। मेल पे एक्सपेक्टेशन है, अगर पूरे ही रूढ़िवादी तरीके से देखा जाए, ऑर्थोडॉक्स तरीके से देखा जाए, तो मेल पे एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि he has to earn for the family. He also has expectation. But उन expectation के बावजूद भी he has a full freedom to do things.
Right.
Still, you put expectation, that is fine, but don't bound female कि वो सीमाओं में भी बंधी हुई है, उस एक्सपेक्टेशन भी पूरी करनी है, तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा।
लेकिन
तो उसे भी उतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी दो कि वो उन एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ ही आगे निकल जाए।
अब मीनाक्षी जी, I really would request people not to say that. When they say that freedom, right? If you think freedom is emancipation or empowerment, I don't think, because nobody is actually free. But the freedom to choose what you want to do and decide what you want to do, that is something which is which really in reality happens, right? You can choose to make even if you make a mistake, it's okay. That's what it should be. Like, do the mistakes, right? Faltani, what do you think?
Yeah, making mistakes is all right.
Yeah, it's all right to make a mistake. Then, but for women, गलती कर दी तो oh my God, तो ऐसे कर दिया, ऐसे बोलेंगे सब लोग. Yeah, that's true. Very good. And thank you so much. आज के शो पे आपका आवाज सुनना बहुत important था, and thank you for calling us.
Thank you so much for
Yeah,
calling
thank
in.
you.
Thank you. Have a
good
beautiful,
one.
fantastic
Bye-bye.
evening.
And of course, Benson, today's topic is Stri Shakti Somvar, and what we talked about empowering our show के पहले 15 minutes में we had a heated discussion between me and Faltani as to the semantics of this particular thing of empower, because Faltani said that empower is a very bad word. Actually, is about who are you to give power to somebody else. It's not that at all. We'll talk about that, but we got a band waiting line. Faltani, let's go. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के स्त्री शक्ति सोमवार में. Who's this?
Pam Pam, hi.
Hello.
Hi, Pam
Oh
Pam.
my God, कितना कोक्सिंग बनता है अंकल कॉल करने के लिए.
नहीं नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे पता था ये बोलेगा.
पता था लेकिन.
Oh baby, I have to manage the baby along with them so that I can actually have a conversation with you.
I understand. Thank you for calling us. We appreciate that, and thank you for picking up the call and calling us after all also. And your topic, your input is very important in this topic, yeah.
Yeah, seriously.
Thank you.
Bolo.
That is very sweet.
That's sweet,
obviously,
really.
yeah.
Everybody should talk about this. See, even he's saying that.
Yeah.
He agrees.
He just learned how to roar like a lion. He's like well day.
शेरनी का बच्चा है भाई, तो obviously.
अरे वाह.
वाह, क्या dialogue मारा.
ना बोल रही, ना बोल.
Seriously यार,
अदिति,
in
ना
line
बोल.
with the theme. Solid. ये तो बहुत बनता है इसमें.
So let's ask you, empowerment. We don't jump into semantics on this now.
No, but before that, I just want to say something. Like, I am so happy to listen to everybody who's calling it. Like, this gives me hope, This
Yeah.
gives me hope that विचार बदल रहे हैं, and people are really like amazing. Like, I'm so happy. I can't tell you. Just like,
Oh, that's
being in one of
awesome.
these programs just to hear and kind of have a ripple effect. More
Yeah.
people call in and they express their opinions. Maybe we practice 60% of what we say, but we still,
Yeah,
as long as we
Yeah, the
are
way
able to say it, yeah.
I don't want to say what Mahima ji told me once. When you actually, why we ask you guys to call up and say this on air is because when your thoughts come out on the ethos, they become reality afterwards.
Yes.
So that's why we want you guys to call up and chime in on these things.
Yeah.
So even he's agreeing with me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So come on, ask question, Faltani.
I am reading this book and I wanted to share. It's called Untamed, okay? Free plug for the book, by the way.
Yeah.
And it's this by this lady called Glennon Doyle. And she's written, this whole book is around feminism and, about her daughters and how she has brought up her daughters and all that. And then she has one chapter on boys, okay? And this chapter talks about how we make, like, girls are from birth, they're trained out of their leadership skills, they're trained out of their, dominance and their natural way of being. But the other problem is our boys. We untrain them from their vulnerability. We untrain them from feeling love and expressing love.
Right.
And that is as much a part of that is actually a big part of that story of empowering and emancipation. It's not just women and it's not about women as much as it is about boys and men,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was such a, itna meko like inside, it just hit me like,
Yeah.
And having a son now, like, I'm just like, that makes so much sense, Like, in पुराने ज़माने में it used to be okay to call boys who cried sissies,
Yeah.
Nowadays it is manifested in more politically correct ways, but it still exists, right? Like,
Hello, excuse me, boys do cry. Every day I cry, Faltani.
Hey,
Tell
she's talking about the reference to, Altu Baba.
You make
cry.
me cry,
He
really?
makes
of
people
course, the
cry.
world revolves around
No, she makes me cry. It's okay to cry.
Oh,
What I'm-
Lord.
Okay. Hey, by the way, that particular book, Untamed, right? No wonder your son is like totally untamed. I think that's what's
He's
happening.
so untamed, it's not even funny.
He's like, mommy, yeah. But it's good. Okay, continue. You were saying something. Sorry.
No, हो गया बस, प्रवचन हो गई मेरी.
प्रवचन हो गई?
मैं बस उतना ही बोलनी थी.
No, but thank you so much. In fact, you're very right about that. I think I agree with you. It does take it's more about, see, that's, again, but empowerment. I want to ask you, do you feel empowered?
I feel very empowered.
Good.
I feel very empowered, and I stand on the shoulders of many people who have ensured that I live a very empowered life.
Good.
Yeah.
And that distinction between empowerment and emancipation, very well made. Like, there is a difference. Empowerment is a feeling, and emancipation is what society can do to ensure that women feel empowered.
Correct.
Absolutely.
It's a feeling. Very true. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And thank you for bringing that up, because that's what we want to clarify to people, not get lost in the words, but of course the feeling is important. The empowered feeling is what we're going to do, and nobody can give somebody, I'm going to empower them. No, you're not going to do that at all. It's actually about somebody feeling the empowerment, and making sure you have the support structures for them to feel empowered, right, Faltwani?
Yeah, absolutely. And
and
bolo.
Go ahead.
No, I was just going to say thank you for sharing your thoughts on this particular topic too. But what were you going to say?
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's also in degrees, right? As I say, I'm empowered. I give a big, there's a big reason for that is primarily being parents, but a lot of other social structures also. But in life, there will always be incidents and experiences which will render me to feel less empowered, right? It could be in any format, right? In the office or in even with parents, even now, even though they've given education and everything, but still, like, they're a product of the society they're born in. So it does manifest itself in some ways that I will suddenly feel like, so you are okay sitting in the car when my husband drives, but you are scared when I'm driving, because why? So silly things like that, But then the thing is, then what do we do with that, right? Am I going to sit and get upset? Oh my God, मेरी feminism बाहर निकल गई और मैं सबकी बैंड बजाने वाली हूँ. No, I'm so now I feel so empowered and so happy in my own skin that I'm just like, I'm going to mention it once. If you get it, you get it. You don't get it, too bad for you. Like, I'm okay,
Yeah.
So that's another different type of empowerment that I've experienced, and I can't really say that I've experienced that. It's very recent for me, but I feel very happy. Like, I'm just content in what I have and what I don't have, because whatever I have is through my mehnat, and whatever I don't have is also it's fine. It's not like I look at people who have don't even have this, and then I'm just like, it's okay, I make my own happiness,
Very true.
So there's a certain empowerment in that also, and that may be beyond gender actually. That is just general human,
That's true.
empowerment.
Very
That's
true. And
true.
of course, many people actually, if you're not wrong in thinking, oh my God, does it sound like self-esteem? Yes, pretty much. Empower means, the etymology of the word actually means inner power and inner strength, and it relates very closely to self-esteem as well, Baranjan. Of course, building self-esteem is again possible. It's something which you can actually do from yourself also. But again, very rightly said, Aditi, there are other external structures also which support the building of this particular skill. That's very true.
Well, yeah. I think to a great extent, the conversation. I was just reading something recently, but it was more related to disability. But I was reading about disability rights, and I came across this term called justice. It's more disability justice. It's not women's rights anymore. It's justice, because at the end of the day, I mean, rights can be taken away and rights can be given, but we're all born with inherent rights to exist and live the life that we need to our fullest.
Yeah.
If it's been taken away, it is justice to be able to fight for it.
Yeah.
That's what I was talking about.
I really love that thing. You should actually make it human justice, not human rights.
Yeah, it is.
It's
It
true.
absolutely
It
is
makes
true.
sense, right? Yeah.
There is a movement for it right now.
I'll support it. I'll support it definitely.
So I that's why I said, this whole thing about, we're going to develop, empower women. We're going to do this. We are empowering women in the girl child in the villages of India. Sometimes I get so angry when I hear that.
They just don't know English, Faltwani.
No, it's the reason I mean, obviously I probably did not know better then, but now I know, because of the fact that it's not just about if we don't speak up, and it's those little things that we do that could disempower and that could actually completely crush somebody's sense of self.
Yeah, even he's saying yes.
Yeah.
I think that it's also the fact that the terminologies and the semantics is changing is also a sign of change of times, because earlier it was rights. It was child marriage rights, it's domestic property rights. It's, everything was right because people didn't even know. You had to like educate people कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ होता है. We should give widows the right to remarry. We should give women equal property rights. We should, educate every girl as we educate every boy. We, it was like we should do it because it's a right. And by the way, this is not only about India. This is about every country.
Every country,
including the US, by the way, which is
correct.
We go and look at the statistics. It's appalling. So but now it's become justice because अभी सबको awareness है. Now how about equalizing it? Now right? That's the right. So now let's equalize it. So that's why it's become justice. And that's the changing of the vernacular only shows that we're moving forward slowly but surely.
Yeah. I sincerely hope so. After what happened in Georgia with those voting rights thing, and what happened in just 4 years ago, what happened with regard to women's reproductive rights, I'm like, oh my God, we're living in the 21st century. Are we in the 21st century?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
And we are talking about actually deciding if a woman should be given the right to have over her own reproductive organs. That's ridiculous.
Appalling, right? Like
it's
sometimes I feel like we're in some alternative reality when we hear these things.
But also
I mean, if you talk about women's rights in the US, we can have an entire program on it. About how far behind particularly US is in women's rights. From maternity rights and you can start with maternity leave to all the way through child marriage. I mean, some of the states, child marriage, girls' marriageable age is ridiculously young. And we sit and we complain about developing countries or third world countries, as like to call it. We should start looking inward over here.
Right.
Seeing some of the stats over here, it's ridiculous.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for chiming in. Really, really appreciate it. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. And
छोटों से बात करके भी.
क्या छोटे से?
Yeah, of course. He was telling me hi. You guys missed it. That's baby. I told you I specialize in baby talk and all.
Oh, really?
That roar means like, I'm here. That's good. So, he's actually talking to me there. I got the message, dude. Yeah.
Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
You bet. Always nice to talk to you all. Bye.
Bye. And of course, Bacha, what a wonderful show it was.
You didn't give us your opinion.
So I definitely think empowerment, Falguni, as I said, right, I already talked about it in multiple comments on it, but the thing is empowerment actually happens from within. So it's not something which you would give somebody as an external thing, I'm going to empower you.
But what can you do as an ally?
Because as an ally, you can actually provide support for people to feel empowered. The question is, if at all you want to do something, facilitating that particular process of yours is what you could do. You're not actually, by doing that facilitation, is empowering you to do what you got to do, right?
Right.
Like suppose, let's say somebody wants to become a public speaker, right? Providing them a mic is empowering them.
It may not, that's on a more objective.
I'm just putting it in a very plain, simple way for people to understand this. But the most important thing what's going to happen over here is, Bananjan, our mindset to change that we are nobody to give somebody a power.
Yeah.
We are only here to serve somebody. If you are in servitude to somebody else, it's automatically you're empowering the other person.
Absolutely.
When I say that thing, I'm not talking in terms of submissive power. Please misunderstand what I'm saying. I'm trying to say that if you're in service to somebody else, as in making sure that their life is empowered, like how a particular parent would take care of the child similarly, right? I can't give any other reference right now because that's exactly how it works, right? How that person should feel empowered. They should feel that, okay, you know what? Yes, I can do this. They should have the feeling. That's because if you look at it, it's a Greek word, right? M and power. M means inner. Power, of course, means power or strength.
And it's also empathy, which is basically understanding key. I think if you just understood, that's also another human being. I'm also another human being.
And let me also say one more thing. That's again, empathy, what you talk about. Again, if you look at it, if you want to understand a word or semantics, what are we talking about over here, go look at the etymology of a word. It actually means inner feeling. In feeling, pathy is feeling, what you feel inside. So if you have that feeling in you, you actually automatically are feeling you're giving that empower. You're giving the other person to feel empowered.
Right. So the idea is to make sure that we are giving allowing the opportunity for everybody to exist the way they are and to be able to do what they want to do, follow their heart.
And the word acceptance.
Yeah,
Very important.
acceptance and appreciation. Ki, okay, that is the person that is just another person like me who deserves respect and dignity the way I expect respect and dignity for
And
myself.
that's exactly what we do at Pragya Bandajan. If you know about the Pragya program, it's got the ally support program, which actually is actually a total, I would say, a cheat sheet to be able to feel empathy and also empower people and learn what leadership actually means.
Exactly.
Leadership through humility and not through bossing around people.
Right. So, इस गाने के साथ हम आपको छोड़े जाएंगे Bandajan. This is one of our favorite songs. Of course, it featured the wonderful Irfan Khan Saab, the late Irfan Khan Saab. And this is a song from that movie Angrezi
Medium.
Angrezi Medium.
A very nice song by Jan. Wherein actually a father goes to lengths to make his daughter feel empowered. But then again, because of limitations she has in her own mind, she sometimes feels disempowered. If you haven't seen the movie, go watch it. But it's a nice song voiced by Vishal Dadlani.
Lyrics by Priya Saraya, right?
Yes.
Sachin Jigar music,
Sachin
right?
Jigar music, okay. With this, Bandajan, we're going to be saying have a wonderful evening. We'll see you bad Monday tomorrow in the Good Morning Bake.
Good night.
Shabbat
Khair. And a pyar bhara.
Mwah!